Mayamang buhay sa 2025 mga channel viewers ng Health, Wealth, and Life Basics. Tingnan po natin ang projections according sa ating Google search sa mga taong nabuhay sa Year of the Snake. They are persons who were born in 1921, 1941, 1953, 1965, 1977, 1989, 2001, 2013. Pero po, yung mga naborn sa January and February, tingnan nyo kasi nagva-vary po ang Chinese calendar sa New Year. So baka naman ikaw ay isilang sa 1977 pero ikaw ay actually hindi ka Year of the Snake kundi Year of the Dragon. So ano po ang sabi sa ating 2025 for Year of the Snake? So, snakes offend so this year. Nako. So, kailangan mag-prepare for a year in flux with a lot of changes. They can turn this wave of bad luck around through auspicious actions such as getting married. Huwag munang mag-asawa. Ang mga Year of the Snake. Starting a family or buying property or starting a business. So, but thankfully, they have a lot of lucky stars on their side kasi nga ito ang kanilang year. Particularly, sila ay magiging lucky sa career and wealth matters. One represents a wagon full of money. Another will bring benefactors to help them when they are in trouble. With so many lucky stars sa snake, what could be potentially bad will not be too bad at all. So, ang sunod po ay Year of the Horse. These are the people born in 1930, 1942, 1954, 1966, 1978, 1990, 2002, and 2014. Again, you try to see if you were born in the months of either January or February kung saan nag-start ang Year of the Horse. Horses are in for a smooth ride this year. Wow! Kasi may lucky star sila that will help them with their career. Mapropromoted sila. So, yan po ang magandang balita sa ating mga Year of the Horse, lalo na sa mga white-collar job or nasa opisina. Horses in male-dominated industries will have a good chance for career advancement. Ayan, yung mga lalaki na horse po. This will be a good year for learning new things and further education. So, if there is a degree or accreditation na kailangan mong makuha ang lisensya mo, ito po ay magandang year for the Year of the Horse to get that license. Pero slim po ang chance for romance in the charts for the people born in the Year of the Horse. So those already in relationship have to be careful. They are advised not to be distracted by crushes and fleeting chemistry. Ang sunod po ay Year of the Ship, 1931, 1943, 1955, 1967, 1979, 1991, 2003, and 2015. Sila po ay lucky, but it will be in the form of official avenues rather than casinos or lottery wins. Nako, wag po tayo dyan sa lottery wins na yan. Unfortunately, there are no lucky stars on the charts. Walang masyadong lucky stars. There are two bad stars that will affect their family and make them accident prone. Nako po, mag-iingat po yung ship ha. So remember to donate blood or visit the dentist in the next or 12 lunar month to balance this negative energy. This will be a good year to renovate and to refresh that energy of their home. So magpaganda ka ng bahay mo, Year of the Ship. Okay? So, sa Year of the Monkey, 1932, 1944, 1956, 1968, 1980, 1992, 2004, and 2016. Again, pag ikaw ay naborn ng January and February, tignan mo kung ikaw talaga ay monkey. A complicated relationship with Taizu star awaits the monkey. Hindi masyadong maganda. It can be both be beneficial and destructive. Ano siya, parang yung polarity, either destruction or good things will happen to you. Their networking and personal relationships will be equally volatile, and they will find people might want to work with them one moment but next ayaw na nila sa'yo. Yan. Their lucky star is one full of feminine energy. So monkeys working in the female-dominated industries such as jewelry or cosmetics will have a good chance for career advancement as well as help from female benefactors. And lucky stars for the Year of the Monkey fall on personal relationships. Maghihinay po tayo sa mga unspoken conflicts. Monkey is a relationship na i-prioritize mo ang open and honest communication. Ang rooster. These are the people born in 1993, 1945, 1957, 1969, 1981, 1993, 2005, 2017. Roosters do not clash with Taizu this year, and wealth is on the cards. Medyo okay ang year of the rooster for this year. No matter if it is from investing or work, all things involving money will do well. Ang rooster is blessed with the lucky stars in their career for those working in large companies or the government, and there is a good chance also for promotion. Ang rooster do have to pay attention to their health this year, to be sure to visit your doctor for a yearly check-up. Kung pwede, semi-annual. Ang Year of the Dog, 1932, 1946, 1958, 1970, 1982, 1994, 2006, 2018. Ang lucky color mo ay green, lucky element is jade. The big theme for dogs is that you are lucky for romance and love this year. The Year of the Snake is great for them to get married or have babies. So, magpabuntis ka or mag-asawa ka na, Year of the Dog. But those in committed relationships should beware. Your romantic energy is so strong that it can start love triangles. Nako, may third party. They also have a problem-solving lucky star on their side, which means any obstacle or challenge will resolve itself this year. They will also get help from a benefactor or benefactors. There is a bad star hovering above that will affect finances. So dogs will have to beware of scams and bad investment. Nako po. Oo, baka masama po yung investment nyo. So, for the pig, ayan. 1935, 1947, 1959, 1971, 1983, 1995, 2007, 2019. Their lucky color is pink, lucky element is rose quartz. The pigs come into conflict with Taizu this year, hindi maganda. So networking and personal relationships will be volatile. They should make use of auspicious events, magpaasawa, mag-starting a family, buying property, or starting a business to chase the bad luck away. Naku, mag-aasawa para to chase the bad luck away. Baka yun ang maging bad luck. Fortunately, pigs have lucky stars looking out for them. One is a star of motion. That means those working into international platforms or companies will have an opportunity for promotion. Pigs will be unlucky with their finances this year though, kagaya ng dog. So this will be a good time to come up with a budget and stick to it. Ang Year of the Rat naman, 1936, 1948, 1960, 1972, 1984, 1996, 2008, 2020. Ang lucky color ay white. Lucky element is platinum. It is time for rats to work towards their goal this year as they will reap the rewards of effort put in. So, may dalawang lucky stars that will amplify networking, career, and wealth. So much so that rats will find many friends. Friendly kasi si rat eh. So, kahit hindi project, talagang friendly si rat. Ang finances will be affected by an unlucky star. So, why wealth is amplified this year, it should be achieved through hard work. So, magtrabaho ka ng mabuti, rat. Ang ox ay those people born in 1937, 1949, 1961, 1973, 1985, 1997, 2009, and 2021. Lucky color is brown. Lucky element is diamonds. So the year of the snake is a good year for oxen. This is a great year for them to network as there will be a lot of people seeking partnership to you. It is also a good year for wealth, in particular through work and investment. So this will be a particularly good year for oxen who work in a creativity or spiritual field. So, kung babae siya at nag-work sa field-dominated industries such as jewelry or cosmetic, they should take extra precaution. Tiger, 1938, 1950, 1962, 1974, 1986, 1998, 2010. Again, kung ikaw ay born in January or February, tingnan nyo po baka hindi ikaw ay tiger kung the year of the snake. So, tingnan nyo po kung talagang saan. Ang lucky color niya for this year is gold. Ang lucky element is gold. Tigers will harm the Tai Chi this year. Nako po. Ayan. Tai Su. And the effect will be most noticeable in relationship. Nako. Aaway kayo ng partner mo. They should be careful with what they say as people can easily take it to the wrong way this year. Their curse star this year concerns the tongue. Yung baba mo, yung dila mo, you stop it. Fortunately, they have a lucky star that brings benefactors. So if these things really go sideways, someone will come and help you when they are in a bind. Ang year of the rabbit, 1939, 1951, 1963, 1975, 1987, 1999. 2011, ang lucky color is silver, lucky element is silver. Congratulations, rabbits! You are finally over last year's bad luck during the year of the wood dragon. So, for this year, may nakaabang sa'yo na career advancement. So, may chance ka for promotion and recognition. However, may dalawang bad stars. One will bring legal troubles and bad gossip. And the other will bring accidents. So, be very careful on any activities that would expose you to accidents. Ang year of the dragon, 1940, 1952, 1964, 1976, 1988, 2000, 2012. Lucky color is yellow. Lucky element is yellow crystal. This year will be smooth sailing for dragons and also a year of wealth for the zodiac sign. So take the opportunity to try new ventures and make that money. This will be also a year of relationship for the dragons. Those who are single are likely to meet their romantic partner. This will also be the year for dragons to start a family as well. However, there is a course star that will bring small ailments like cold and flu. So remember to wash hands and take your vitamins. Thank you for listening, and you have gone this far. A subscription on my channel, Health, Wealth, and Life Basics, will prompt you to the new topics that I will be uploading daily.